Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the workbook and pick the cells to add now. First, click the destination cell where the total will appear. If you have a couple of values, type equals A1 plus A2 and press enter. That's fast and explicit. For longer lists, type equals SUM, then drag to select the range, close parentheses, and press enter. Once done, double-check the formula bar to confirm the correct references and adjust if you selected the wrong range. Now expand your approach. Press Alt plus equals to auto-sum a contiguous column. Excel guesses the range, but make sure it's correct before enter. If you need subtotals or totals across sheets, use sum Sheet 1, Sheet 3, A1 to aggregate the same cell on multiple tabs. To make formulas robust, create named ranges so equals SUM, sales Q1 is easier to read. Once done, copy formulas down using the fill handle to apply relative references consistently. Finish by reviewing results. Format the total as currency or number for clarity and use $1 if a reference must stay constant when copying. If you need conditionals, swap SUM for SUMIF or SUMIFs to include only matching rows. Make sure to recalc, F9, if automatic calc is off. Troubleshooting tip: if your total is wrong, check whether some entries are stored as text or contain stray spaces. Convert them with value or trim and recalc. That fixes most silent errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.